Imagine you're starting an online store. You've got the products, the website, but you're still missing one crucial piece, a reliable supplier. That's where dropshipping platforms like Oberlo and Spocket come in. They connect you directly to suppliers, allowing you to sell products without holding any inventory. But which platform is the better choice? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between Oberlo and Spocket, helping you decide which one is right for your dropshipping business. 1. Product sourcing and selection. Let's start with the basics, product sourcing. Both Oberlo and Spocket offer a wide range of products to choose from, but there are some differences. Oberlo primarily focuses on AliExpress, which means you'll have access to a vast selection of products at competitive prices. However, this also means you might encounter longer shipping times, especially for products coming from China. Spocket, on the other hand, sources products from various suppliers, including those based in the United States and Europe. This can lead to faster shipping times and potentially higher profit margins. 2. Pricing and fees. Pricing is another important factor to consider. Both Oberlo and Spocket offer free plans, but there are premium options with additional features. Oberlo's premium plan provides access to exclusive products, faster shipping options, and advanced analytics. Spocket's premium plan offers similar benefits, along with the ability to import products from multiple suppliers at once. It's worth noting that both platforms charge a transaction fee for each order, so be sure to factor this into your pricing strategy. 3. Order fulfillment and shipping. Once a customer places an order, the dropshipping platform handles the fulfillment process. Both Oberlo and Spocket integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, making it easy to manage orders and track shipments. However, the actual shipping process can vary depending on the supplier. As mentioned earlier, products from AliExpress, which Oberlo primarily uses, may have longer shipping times. Spocket's broader supplier network can potentially offer faster shipping options. 4. Customer support. When it comes to customer support, both Oberlo and Spocket offer email and live chat support. However, the quality and responsiveness of their support teams can vary. It's a good idea to read reviews and testimonials from other users to get a sense of their customer service experience. So, which platform is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a vast selection of products at competitive prices and are willing to deal with longer shipping times, Oberlo might be a good choice. However, if you prioritize faster shipping times and a broader supplier network, Spocket could be a better option. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both platforms and see which one works best for your business. Consider factors like product availability, pricing, shipping times, and customer support when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.